What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing on this lovely day? It's been cold outside all day. Freezing cold. Freezing. But I hope you guys are having a motivational day. No matter what the circumstances is, you are a great human being at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from being who you truly are. If people ain't coming around like they used to, don't get sad at that. Use that as motivation. Use that as a key point in your life that's telling you to get up. That's telling you to rise up. That's telling you to keep pushing, keep bringing the hardness to life. Give you that real light bulb that'll flick on when you about to gently start up your engine. Because you deserve so much more than you usually do. You deserve faith, blessings, the key map to generating you what you want, of what you're trying to bring to the table. You have it all under control. Don't let nobody stop you and cut off your wires to stopping you from doing what you need to do. And if somebody do end up cutting your wires, put the wires back together and start it up again. Because nothing is impossible to do. You just gotta have the mindset, the right balance, the right energy, the right mindset to keep you going, to keep you motivated, to making sure your head is right, of where your right path you want to go. Because you are perfect. You're perfect in your own way. Don't let nobody scare you off, tell you can't do nothing. Become muscle. Become it all. Dream big. Every day means more than anything. Keep going. Keep the engine flowing. Let your motivating self be the key to everyone's success. Don't let nobody downplay your success. And if somebody downplay your success, don't give them the same energy as they're giving you. And you the winner in that battle. Don't give a person the same attitude they give you. Give them more than they ask for. A kind person. Be generous. You can't win every battle, but you can win a war. Be the key. Focus your mind. Welcome. It's dark out here, y'all. I barely can even see nature. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, no matter what the circumstances is. You can do whatever you want to do if you just put your mind to it and dedicate to much success in life. Keep the journey fulfilled. Be who you want to be. Don't let nobody stop you from completing your goal.
Hi, y'all. I had to step out for a quick second. Hope you guys, alright, hopefully you guys enjoying y'all's night. It's like 8:30 and we're just now getting the kids to like settle down and relax. Hopefully y'all feel motivated and positive. Keep pushing yourself forward. Don't never give up. Don't let nobody stop your dedication and your hard work. Do what is more important for you. Focus, worry about what's on your mind and how you can sustain yourself and your future life. Don't let nobody stop you. Stay empowered and keep that power going. Nobody can stop your hard work. And in advance, nobody can stop your dedication. Only you can. Keep pushing and never give up. But me and Zay just got done doing school with the girls. We're doing like some teaching them and stuff. So, yeah. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. We about to end it. Anyways, like I was saying, hopefully today's been treating y'all right and doing y'all right. Don't let anybody stop your grind. Do what you see is more important and what you should be seeing yourself do. I hear a lot of weird noise out here, y'all. I don't know. It's creepy. But whatever is best for you, just keep pushing and stay focused. All this other nonsense stuff, don't let nobody stop you. Because you can do whatever you put yourself into, whatever shoes you put yourself into, walk in them shoes and tell yourself you can do it. So like I was saying, just keep on pushing forward. Don't ever give up. Don't nobody stop your success. Because what you want to do is what you want to do. Also, remember what's more important in life and not what's not important, because it's so much stuff that's important in life. You should just build up yourself and just build your future and just do what you do. Nobody can tell you what not to do. If that's how you feel, that's how you feel. And just, yeah. But I also want to show y'all one of my pregnancy cravings. I'm actually going to do it now because I was mentioning to Zay the other day about doing this. And I just want to show y'all, it's just little simple ingredients. But let's get into this. I'm going to come back when I have all the ingredients ready, y'all. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to use this yogurt. Pretty sure it's probably one's gone, so we're going to go ahead and use the rest of it because it's not put in here for real. So you're going to get an empty bowl and just scrape all until it's done, y'all. I'll be back when I scrape this. Now I'm going to take this almond honey bunch of oats cereal and just pour it into the yogurt, and it's like it has oats in it and almond, y'all. So good, very healthy. So I'm gonna show you some. I don't want too much, so I don't do too much today. But and then all you do is just stir it like that, y'all. Normally it's supposed to be more creamy because I have way more yogurt, but I didn't have a lot of yogurt today, so we gotta do what we gotta do, y'all. Sucks, because I already had like 2 big bowls of this, so, but, alright, we're gonna go ahead and see how it tastes, because normally I put strawberries in here, and I didn't have no strawberries, so let's just see. Here's the almond. No. So it's definitely good, but I'm just missing the strawberries. So hopefully y'all enjoy that video. Yeah. So, but I'm gonna get the girls ready to lay down soon. Give me a little snack, something to drink, and I'm gonna put them to sleep. I'm putting them in the tub in the morning. So yeah. Well, hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and we'll see you next one. Make sure you share us too. So, love you. Peace out.